following up to our recent collaboration with Reef Malaysia, where we have contributed about 20,000 ringgit for coral conservation. And today we have about 6 AmBank divers who will be departing to Pulau Tioman to do the coral restoration process.
Welcome to Tioman!
To make the coral pots, recycled bottles were cleaned and crushed in a special machine. The fragments are then mixed in the cement to build a concrete base for the pots. The baton was then passed to the divers to deploy the pots into the sea. The divers then transported the pots to be placed in the strategic location on the seabed. Corals of opportunity were scouted. For this purpose, we use hard corals such as elkhorn and staghorn corals. The fragments are then carefully secured to the bottles using a cable tie. The corals will eventually grow on the cable tie and cover the bottles. We then bid farewell while Reef Malaysia will continue to monitor the growth and health of the corals. With that, mission accomplished. Till next time, mask on, regulator on. See you at the bottom.